Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at this desktop lamp 10 times magnification from KMDES over there on Amazon. I'll leave you a link in the description if you want to check one out. Anyway, this is a 10S desk lamp with a clamp. Let's open it up and see what we got inside here. Alright, inside we got a lens polishing cloth. We got the clamp. Put that out, we're going to need that with the clamp, basic clamp. We'll open that up to stick it on our workbench. Got about 3/4 workbench thickness. This is our wire, and this is our lamp. You can see this is one of those, this is the smaller version. I don't know what size they're saying this is, but we can check it out. You can see there's nothing else in the box. So it didn't come with a power block, but we got one set up over here, so we'll just plug into that one. Let's plug it in, get it hooked up, and see how it goes. Let's put this clamp here, right there. Now we can put our, let's get this plastic off here. We're going to have to rip it off, cut it off. Boy. Let's get the scissors for this one. Get the scissors. I'm left-handed, so let's get the scissors. Let's get rid of this knife. Get rid of these scissors. We'll put our lamp in the clamp. Lamp in the clamp. And there we go. Check it out. Let's plug it in. You can plug it in over here. You can see the controls here. Got an on and off button here. Plus button, a minus button, and a, I guess this changes. So let's turn it on and see. Alright, so this must change the colors, I'm thinking. Yep, and we can lower it. I like that. You see it's like changing colors there. Now let's see what kind of magnification we got here. It says 10 times. So let's see if we want to look at something like this. There we go, it's not too bad. Clearly read that. Clearly see the LED inside there, whereas if I just look at it here, it's not so great. Let's see what else can we look at. Let's get a piece of electronics over here. And then we got something here. Alright, here's an old video card I found. We can take a look at some of the electronics with this. Let's see if we had it on here. And we wanted to do something close up. See if we can move it in closer, so you can see it clearly. It's pretty good. I can definitely see doing some soldering under this lens. You can see clearly. I hope you can see it on the video. Looks like we can. Let's change the colors and see what that looks like. Definitely different. Definitely see using it. It's pretty good. How about looking at some coins or something under this? Let's see. The quarter over here. If we wanted to look at this coin, how would that look? Definitely going to have some uses here. What else can we look at? Anyway, let's see. We got a little GoPro battery here. We can actually see the model number on here, when it was made. 2/23/2017. And it's still kicking. It's still pretty good. So that's a plus for GoPro. Nicely made. Lithium-ion battery pack, 1220 milliamp hours, 4.70 watt hours, 3.85 volts. Pretty good. These hardly even go down when I'm using them. It's pretty good. Anyway, this light is pretty awesome. It's a little different than the large one I have over here. This is the large version. Sometimes the large version gets in the way of seeing outside the lamp or working outside the lamp. But the smaller version, I'm kind of liking it. Definitely has some flexibility. Doesn't get in your way. Plenty of light. This is actually warm right now because the light's so bright. Yeah, I like it. Anyway, that's the KMDES 10X desk lamp with clip. Yeah, workbench clip. Pretty nice. I don't know if I would like the stand one better, or I like the clip. I like the clip because, you know, it's more stable. You don't have to worry about knocking into it like I just did to my camera. But yeah, this one works pretty good. Let me turn off the light and see how that is. Alright, that's what lights off. You can see how bright it is. Let's turn it all the way up if we can. That should be all the way up, all the way down. It's pretty good. Let's change colors. Turn it all the way up. Change colors. That's a nice color there. I like that. This is more like, I don't know which one this is, what color this is. I wish it would beep when the light got to the brightest point. But other than that, it's a pretty nice addition to my workbench. Anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description. If you guys want to get one, you want to go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, KMDES. This is a GeForce GT520. It's an oldie, but it used to be a goodie, but not so much anymore. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.